today what you see from the Huawei P20 Pro, this one is a Malaysia bundle. So when you buy from Huawei P20 Pro from the retail store, it will give you some free gift here. It's the free gift for the big box, and it will also give you a free USB to USB-C cables. And as you can see, there's a price here, 29 ringgit. Okay, I'm not sure if this can support for fast charging, because I see there's a 2 ampere. I hope this works. This bundle is for my friends, so I get it and then just review it for you guys for the unboxing. So this is the box. This is not a gold color, it's like rose gold, Huawei rose gold, and this is a triple camera Huawei Pro, VIP card, Huawei 20 Pro. This one is a Twilight color, 128 GB, 6 GB of RAM, and then this model is a P20 Pro. And then behind is just normal usual. It open up just like an iPhone, okay, Huawei design. So my friend is already opened out this phone. So this is the phone here, and then this is the back, Twilight color, 3 camera, Leica. So let me show the full body. This is the case. My friend bought the case from Rock. It's a shockproof protector case. Clear back, rubber bumper, as you can see, quite flexible. So as you can see, this is a Twilight. It's a 2 color here, a green, a bit blue, and then a purple. And then there's a 3 camera, and then there's a, I think it's the approval and not recyclable, the logo here, and then the Huawei, some the company made from China, something like that. And these are the all Leica camera, flashlight here. Usually the bumper is like a bit purple, as you can see, a bit purple here. And then there's a red light for the power on off, volume button. This one is I think it's a infrared. This one is a microphone, antenna line. This bumper I think is aluminium, if I'm not mistaken. SIM card tray, antenna line, 2 antenna line, speaker. I think it's a 1 speaker only, and this one is a mic. USB-C, front camera. This has a face unlock and a fingerprint unlock. Let's see in the box. This is a paper tray, SIM card, tools, and then there's a free case. It's a flexible case. It's a very good case, whatever. Then user manual. And then there's a fast charging charger. As you can see here, there's a 5 volt 4.5 ampere, or you can 4.5 volt 5 ampere, and then there's another one 5 volt 2 ampere. This is a fast charging charger. It's quite heavy. Yeah, quite heavy, a bit bigger. And then he include a USB-C cable for charging, earphone as usual. It's like a iPhone earphone. And then this one is a USB-C to 3.5 audio jack. That's it on the box. Why is the big box for here? As you can see from the phone box, you can see this is bigger a lot. Why? Actually this one is a free gift, and it's a very good free gift. Yeah, as you can see, gift, easy color kit, stainless steel thermoflash type, and thermoflash and type C data cable. So let you see. Oops. The Twilight thermoflash. What the hell, man? Twilight thermoflash. As you can see, this one you can put a hot water, hot coffee inside, and there is no logo. As you can see, no logo, just a color and then the bottle size. That's it. Very simple. Let me show you inside. This one is a thermal, so you can put a hot water inside. Oh, let me show the cap. Yeah, this one is a plastic and a rubber here. This one is a, yeah, it's a metal. This one is not so heavy. It's just okay. Some user manual, instruction, and the Twilight USB cable. Wow, this one is free gift. Give a very, I mean, you can see this one is not rubber, it's like a metal shield, and it's a Twilight color. Wow. And then the USB-C and the USB, this one is aluminium. It's not plastic, it's not fake plastic. This one is a real aluminium. Oh, these are very quality cables. So I think it's a 1 meter, but it's a, wow, these are, oh, the cool, like there's a two color. On top is a purple and the bottom is a blue. I think green or blue, something like that. So as you can see, it's reflect. When you turn over, it's green. Turn over is purple. Green, purple. It's not like purple and then green, purple and then green. It's like all the way purple on the top, all the way the green on the bottom. So I'm not sure this bundle in Malaysia is still have how long, because they say they had I think there's a limitation for this free gift for the bundle. And then if you want to get this free exclusive bundle, only you can get from retail store, from the Huawei store, and then you only get this free stuff. And if you just buy the phone, and then this free gift. It will give a 3 stuff, two Type-C cable and 1 thermoflash. That's it. The protector screen is not a glass protector. It's just like a silicone protector. It's like a screen protector. It's like a rubber type. The screen protector for this is very expensive. 140 ringgit for just the screen protector. But it's not a glass, so I'm not sure why it's so expensive. And that's about it. Twilight color. This color is very famous in Malaysia. That's all. The Malaysia bundle for the Huawei P20 Pro. So if you have anything want to say, anything want to ask, just leave a comment in the description below there. There's a comment section there, and then tell me what video do you want to see, and then please subscribe my channel. There's a subscribe channel button there, and then if you like my video, just click a like, and then I see you next video.